Here we come for a landing. Where do you want to go? Washington, D.C. Ooh! She can learn her states this way too, right? Except some of these are capitals. Ready? Where's this one going to go? St. Louis. St. Louis. St. Louis didn't get very much. You have to eat St. Louis. Oh, Mary, don't take it for you. Okay, ready? Where are we going to go now? Where are we going to go? Richmond, Virginia. Richmond, Virginia. Sometimes Uncle Charles flies in there, and sometimes your mommy does too with your daddy. Now this is a long ride. California. Yeah, we're gonna play in a minute. California. Oh, can you do it yourself? Good boy. Good boy. You want to do it yourself? Okay. You feed yourself. Oh, good boy. Want some more? Okay. I gotta pull this top back. Okay. Ready? Do it yourself. It landed. Where did it land? In William's mouth? Okay, you take it yourself now. Okay, it's got enough on there. Okay, you do it now. You show Grandma you can do it. Yeah, he's doing it, Maria.
Yeah.
Gosh. Okay, scoop it in. No, you have to, no, you only scoop the pilot. The pilot's the only one that goes in. That's funny. Yeah, let's not chew the pilot because the pilot will come off. I'll put some more on there. We don't want to chew the end because Charles had these. Okay, ready? Where are you going? Where is that? Texas. 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 Okay, you do it now. Okay, that's good. That's a good boy. That's good. Yep. He's coming in for a landing. He's going, South Carolina. South Carolina. Ooh. Ooh, that was a long way, wasn't it? Ooh. Okay, where's he going now? I know you gotta have some more. Where's he going now? Okay, where's he going? No, don't put your hands in there. Where's he going? He didn't go anywhere this time? Was that at home? Okay, don't chew on it, sweetie. Just take the applesauce off. Don't chew. We don't want to add teeth marks. Okay. All right. You got the pilot there. You're making a mess too. Okay, now. Is that funny? Are you eating for Grandma? Good boy. Keep it level. And then the peas or whatever you eat are going to come off. Good boy. All done? Y'all done? Yeah, are you all done? All done with the trip? Okay, so he's going to go back into the airport. Ready? Y'all done? One more? Okay. Okay.